Welcome everyone in my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan. Guys, in today's video I will be talking about how to use new version of Google Meet in your Android phone. So for this you need to go to the Play Store and download the Google Meet. You can see that I have already downloaded the Google Meet in my Android phone. So I'm going to open the my Google Meet over here in my Android phone, and when you open it you'll get the two options. You start new meeting or you can join with the code. And yes, if you are a student, then yes, you go with the join with the code, and yes, put the 10 different alphabets exactly in the same format that is shown in the example over there. And after that, just click in the join option. You will reach to the desired class. And yes, if you are a teacher, then you need to start a new meeting. When you click in the new meeting, you can see there is a meeting link. You can share with that. You can even start a meeting instantly. You can even schedule a meeting in a Google Calendar. Yes, these are the three different things that you can see when you click in the new meeting. So now let's start a meeting instantly. Yes, when you start a meeting, yes, you are already inside over here. And yes, at the bottom you can see there is an end option, and yes, the red from which it will end the meeting. There is the next one is video on and off, next one is audio on and off. These things are almost same for the students and even for the teachers. And in the center you can see there is a link. You can just click there and you can copy that link and you can share to the students, or you can see there is share and invite. When you click there, then yes, you can share the link and invite the student from the various social media platform. You can use Facebook, Viber, WhatsApp, or school app. It's up to you. Now at the top right corner you can see there is a headphone. When you touch there, you can see these things, speakers. Even you can put your audio off, so you can do this thing from there. Nearby that headphone you can see there is an option like that of camera, right? When you click in that, yes, your camera will get changed to rear camera. If you want to use the rear camera, then yes, you can click over there. And if you want to get back into the front camera, just click again. So this is how you can do these things over here. And yes, the next thing over here is a way to see the list of the participant, right? The list of the participants cannot be seen directly over here. So for this I want to come with a different device as a student. Okay, yes, let admit Educator Jeevan as a student. I'm coming from the different Gmail account. So now at the top you can see their EOB, that's the code right at the top near that of camera. Just click over there. When you click there, yes, you can see the people. You can see the all the participants over here, and you can see there is a Educator Jeevan is a participant, and nearby the Educator Jeevan there is a three dot. So when you click that, you can even mute, you can pin, or you can remove the participant. And if you go to the information again, you'll get the link that can be shared with the student. You can copy that link from here as well. So this thing can be done from there. So the next thing over here is the three dot. When you click in the three dot, you'll get the in-call messages, share screen, and turn on the captions and all these things. So, and yes, in the in-call message, when you click in the in-call message, you can type the information or type the message and send it to the whole classroom. Let's type the hello students and let's send it to the class. And yes, in case of the Google Meet, you cannot send the private message to the students, or even the student cannot send the private message to the teacher. This means that whatever things will be typed in the in-call messages will be shared to whole classes. So, and similarly, yes, let's click in the three dot. There is a share screen, so you can even share this screen. And yes, you can even turn on the captions. So by turning on the captions, whatever thing will be spoken in the class will be typed over there. I think this video is useful for you guys, and if you love my video, then don't forget to share it. And yes, one more thing guys, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Educator Jeevan, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification for the future videos. Bye all.